Igbo be Igbo. So while we were asleep on February 8th, 3 global stars with Igbo roots conquered the NFL Super Bowl that took place in California. Igbo excellence. Igbos are excelling in everything, including American football. Wow. Anywhere there's excellence, you must see Igbos, because our star don't hide. Look at our boys. Michael Onwenu, Uchenna Nwosu, and Nick Imanwori. This is our boys. The beautiful moment Uchenna Nwosu scored a goal that secured his team the final win. They did so well in the just concluded Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is like the World Cup, but for American football. And our Igbo boys did so excellent. Igbo excellence. Anywhere you don't see Igbos, Uzaga heba baba. Okay, Igbo amaka.